name is Eylene Pirez. I'm an astrophysicist, and this is the wind speeds around the Mars rover. So Mars has had a lot of missions. We have sent a lot of rovers, a lot of landers, a lot of satellites orbiting Mars. So Mars is sort of like the ground has been really well explored. The weather patterns have been very explored. Mars is pretty cold with a very thin atmosphere, and the water can only be in two types of phases. It can only be vapor and it can only be ice, so there's no rain, precipitation. But it is very dusty and it is very windy. So I will kind of talk about some of the missions and what they have measured. So in the 70s, we had the Viking landers. And the Viking landers actually had a really accurate measurement of the wind speed, and this was about 60 miles per hour. And they saw like an average about 20. Okay, and then you had the Curiosity rover, which was the one that was really taking a lot of weather data and a lot of this stuff. So Curiosity, and this is in the 2000s, Curiosity measured a maximum wind speed of about 100 miles an hour. And that's the highest wind speed that we've seen regularly on Mars. And then it measured about 50 to 70 miles an hour. So as you can see, from the 70s to the 2000s, it hasn't changed that much. It seems to be quite stable, the wind speed around them. And then in 97, we had the Mars Pathfinder. And the Mars Pathfinder actually just measured kind of the average, and the average that it found was about 30 miles an hour, which agrees with the Viking landers. And these are some of the missions that have explored and have taken a lot of data from the weather patterns and the surface and what is actually happening near the surface of Mars. My name is Eylene Pirez. I'm an astrophysicist, and these are the wind speeds near the Mars rovers.